Hi there. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to use Filizilla to upload your website that we've created together to a hosting company. And I'm using 000WebHost. I showed you how to set up an account in a previous video. So I've got Filizilla installed. It's a free installation. You can just go to Filizilla, just Google Filizilla. Should be the first thing that comes up, and you can download whatever version suits your operating system. I'm using Windows 7, so I just grabbed the Windows version. Now I'm just going to quickly go over to 000WebHost and grab my FTP credentials, which I'll plug in here. We can also set up a new site using the site manager, and then you don't have to plug in the credentials each time. I'm just going to show you the short version so that we don't have to get into the site manager, but the site manager allows us to have several sets of credentials, basically. You can think of it that way. So I'm going to just quickly bring up 000WebHost. Uh, 000WebHost.com. Again, I had you set up an account in a previous video. I'll just fit this to your window, or to the screencast, I should say. I'll choose sign in. I've got Google remembering my user IDs and passwords, so it just signs me in. And there's my one website. If I click on the little quick actions here, I can go to details. And we have our file upload details here. So we use these credentials. So I've already got my password written down for myself. And so I'm just going to move this aside and copy and paste this information into my FTP client, which is, again, Filizilla. So first of all, I'll grab the host, copy and paste. I'll grab my username, and always best to copy and paste it. And in real life, I always create a text file with this information in it. I should know my password already. A text file with this information in it, and again, I put it in the root of my website folder, and I'm always careful not to upload that to my actual website. Looks good. Logged in, retrieving directory listing. And so now what I'm going to do is quickly go to my documents, and we should have that websites 2 folder that I created for myself for this course. There it is there. And project resume. I'm just going to grab that whole project resume and put it in public_HTML. Actually, I'm just going to, I'll just grab the whole thing. It'll only take a minute. Now, what you have to do when you actually navigate to that project resume on the web, in a web browser, is you have to actually put that after your website address. I don't want to put the contents of project resume into public_HTML because I've already got an index in there that I'm using for other purposes. So I'm just going to grab this whole thing and put it right on top of public_HTML. Let go. And so it's telling me everything it's uploading. Basically all of the stuff I worked on plus everything that was there before. I got a little note in my Filizilla notification in my system tray that all of my transfers were finished. And now, again, that was public_HTML. So my web address is something that I jotted down. Let me just quickly show it to you. My web address click on Manage Websites. is this one here. So if I click on that, that'll bring me to something I was using for another course, and now I'll click, type in a slash, and project resume, right? Is it underscore? I think so. And there you go. So that is connecting to your 000 web host with Filizilla, and then uploading an entire directory. So that will also be your assignment. So what I want you to do is sign up for 000 web host, view the previous video. You can add that database that I get into in the video if you like. It doesn't affect anything here. And then I want you to upload Athena's resume, project resume folder, onto your website, and then I want you to post your website link in the submissions. And I'll also have information about that in the discussion as well. All right, thanks so much for watching.